see, loading the car up, about to take all the bag stuff to TheLabBuilt. We're dropping the car off there for a couple of days, and he's gonna install the bags. Now, at first, me and my brother thought this was gonna be a project we could tackle ourselves, but due to time and space constraints, we're not really gonna be able to get this done the way I really need it done. Going to Sumo Speed Springfest down in Virginia Beach in a couple of days. This weekend, actually. Somehow my car got accepted, so we need to hurry up and get this on. I don't have time for there to be leaks in the system and all types of other stuff. Bags are complicated. You can do it if you're a first timer, but just because of everything that's going on, it would be better to go to someone who knows what they're doing, so I know that I'm good. So car's gonna be there for a couple of days. Then when we get it back, oil change, spark plugs, making sure it's ready to go down to Virginia Beach, and I will see y'all then.
All right, y'all, so here's the plan. I know I've said it before, but we're actually stealing Chris's car today.
Get it! You gonna steal your car, Slim?
He just thinks he's loading that up, but he's really just putting them bags in there for me.
We're gonna steal your car. We're gonna take it down to LA.
And I'm gonna go get some bitches.
Association.
What did you say, nigga? Unfollow, bitch.
You need to leave.
I just air. Ooh. So I would come over there, but you know this shade is like mad. The move.
It's like
bitches.
Like 1,000 degrees.
Bitches.
Why does my camera got a glare in it? Oh wait.
Cause you need to wipe your camera. He didn't show off for us today.
All right, we're leaving her here. We will see her in a couple of days. Yeah.
Several days later.
Guess who just got off work? About to get ready for this. Come on, watch. Fuck with me. Y'all see it? Y'all really see it? Oh, look at that tuck in the rear. Shit. Yes, sir. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all see what's going on, man. Y'all saw the title. Y'all saw the thumbnail. And, yeah, y'all see this as well. I think one of my ABS sensors might have went bad, or maybe they're not plugged in. We just got the car. Excuse me, Lord. We just got the car bagged a couple of days ago. This isn't my initial reaction because I've had the car bagged, just, you know, making sure everything's good, no leaks in the system or anything. And the bags themselves are fine. Right now, we do have an ABS problem, and I'm pretty sure it's just one of the sensors. So we're gonna check that along with a couple other things that we need to take care of before this car is ready to go down to Virginia Beach this weekend. You guys will see when I air out for y'all in a second, so I can show y'all all that. The front does not air out all the way because I need adjustable camera arms, and I need to get my fenders rolled up front. They aren't rolled, so once those are rolled, the car will air out a lot more in the front. And I'm running a decently like big tire up front as well, so we're gonna get the front fitment taken care of. But that rear is tucking, like that rear is tucking. But headed home now. Well, first we're headed to the barbershop. Actually headed to the barbershop, gotta get a cut because that's part of this weekend's prep. Can't go down there looking down bad. Like I look like an animal right now. Hold on. Y'all in the PG area, y'all know who to hit up, yo.
So I already know what it is. You see the barber, Magic Man.
Get me right. Crunch time. Okay, crispy. About to get the fresh cut. But this cut ain't got shit on the whip. Hold on, let me show y'all. Fresh cut on the way to some ass. Y'all ain't never seen a bitch so thick. Yes, sir. Y'all ain't never seen a jump so thick, yo. Oh. Jeez. Oh. Good. Sitting on the ground. Yeah, cut looking fresh, car looking meh, but we about to get all that taken care of. If I put the car in drive, maybe we could go get that taken care of. But about to head to the house. I also have to clean out my trunk. it's some stuff where the spare goes under the little trunk liner. I gotta clean that out. It's like mold and shit under there that I didn't know about until after we did the tank and compressors, the little trunk setup. So I'm gonna get all that shit taken care of. Then we're gonna start all the other stuff we gotta do. So I will see y'all there. All right, so we're gonna start things off with this trunk. Y'all see the basic trunk setup we got. Shout out to my boy, The Lab. Make sure y'all hit him up for all y'all bag installs. He's also a bag vendor for Airtekk. So if you're looking to purchase bags, or you just need any suspension work done, he's the guy to go to, man. He knows what he's doing. He knows his stuff. He'll take care of you. So hit him up on IG. I'm gonna leave his page up right here on the screen, and I'm also gonna leave a link in the description. Make sure y'all hit him up. He hooked me up with this this trunk setup that we have right now. To start things off for today, he pointed out all this mess we got going on under here. So we're gonna start things off by cleaning all this up, because this is a no-go. We got some mold and some other madness going on down here, so we're gonna go ahead and start with that. That was disgusting. Had to get that out the cabin. That was disgusting. But trunk is taken care of. Next we can move on to the oil change. Okay, so on second thought, I just checked my oil, and let me go ahead and dip it one more time for y'all so y'all can see. But it really doesn't need to be changed. I think we should be good for this trip and maybe another couple of weeks. So I don't really need to change the oil, but it's still goldish brown. It's just not, y'all see that? It's not urgent. We probably got another good 2-3 weeks. So I've been cooling out lately, so it's not been taking an abuse or anything, so we're probably good. We don't need an oil change. Had to stop and get some gas real quick because I'm damn near on E. Let me go ahead and fill up, and then I gotta go get my spline key so we can check these ABS sensors. So while I take all the wheels off to check the ABS sensors on each wheel, now is also going to be a great time to replace these lugs and go ahead and give these wheels a thorough cleaning. So I'll be doing that in between checking the sensors for each wheel. obviously, as you guys can tell, it's been some hours later, and we figured out which wheel speed sensor is giving us the issue, and it's this one right here. And this junk don't even want to come out the hub, so it's dark now.
It's giving issues coming out.
Yeah, it's giving issues coming out. And we don't even know if we're gonna be able to do anything to fix this shit right now, so I don't know.
If we can,
Always something with this car. This fucking sensor right here is stuck in here, the little fucking prong that goes into the hub. We have tried, excuse me, everything to get this shit out, and it won't come out. So what we're going to do is put all this shit back together and say fuck it, and just baby the car down there. It should be fine. Right now, the only thing that's really being thrown off by the ABS sensor, this is the only one that's messed up because we went and got a tool. Shout out to Kurt from Asian Imports. He really came through on the clutch with that tool. Let me scan this real quick. It's this. This is the only sensor that's messed up. So it's only like $40. Replace it. We just can't get this one out the hub. So what we're thinking is I should be fine to make it down as long as we baby the car. Because once you get up to cruising speeds, it's fine. It's just the car doesn't have all four sensors to go off. It has three. The tachometer still works. Speedometer still works. So we should be fine to make it down there. Yeah, we're just going to say fuck it because it's crunch time. We got to go. Fuck this thing though.
Anything you wanna? Damn, can't even see you. There's no light out here. Well, folks, you got a determined man right here. It's almost 1 in the morning. Focus in on that. Turn it back on. Damn. What time do you start?
Gabagoo.
Gabagoo, man.
Can
It's
I
the
tell you?
gabagoo. That shit is so tough, bro. I will never get sick of that. I'm damn sure gonna steal your car. You stealing it. You did good, man. You did good, bruv. You did a real good thing, bruv. I'm proud of you, bruv. I don't care. This is best sexy, man. Look at that. You can't get enough in there. You can barely get. I can't get shit in there, mate. Ruining what, man? Oh my God, man. The bare fitment is raw.
All right. Just came to one of the YouTube spots. Y'all already know. Car is aired up right now. About to go ahead and meet up with. Excuse me. But about to go ahead and meet up with some of the people I'm going out to Virginia Beach with. We gotta roll to the Costco, get some gas, meet up with them, and then we're headed out. The bags, everything works fine. It's just that ABS sensor. And the ABS sensor, we're pretty sure is just unrelated to the bags because there's no reason any of that really had to be touched. Like, the lines don't run anywhere near it. The fucking strut, you don't have to touch the strut. The ABS sensor goes directly into the hub. So, we're going to figure it out. But we're thinking the car will be fine to make it down there. It still has 3 other wheel speed sensors to go off. Speedometer still works, tachometer still works. I mean, it should be good. So, about to thug it out, man, and get down there. So I'm gonna go ahead, get some breakfast, stop by the store on the way there because there's a couple of things I gotta grab some wax and shit, and yeah, I'm headed down.